Hello. So I took both discs apart. This is my second drive. This is my first drive where I took the reader out. Okay, so I'm now gonna put the disc from the second drive, no, from the first drive to the second drive, and hope it'll be okay. So one little trick, not trick, but one little annoying thing. This is the bottom. Okay. And then when you take the bottom off, automatically you get this ring here. Okay. It goes in between. There you go. And now the top disc, I'm going to clean it a tiny bit. Right. Okay. Now I'm not sure how to explain it really. I'll try my best. So we have this thing here that I showed you last time, right? Which goes here. It actually goes right here. Okay. And it separates those reader points from each other. I haven't noticed it last time, so I didn't really pay attention to it, but this time I really noticed that as soon as the reader slides from this side onto the yellow thing, right, it has those right here, it splits all the readers from each other, so they won't touch. And I'm not sure how to. I'm actually gonna try it right now. Let's see how it works. Just gonna use this pen top to put the reader on so I won't damage it, or damage it at least as possible. Come on. Okay. Well, it was a tiny bit of force. I managed to put it on, and now I have to put the yellow thing. Actually, this is not, this is from the first one. This is the second one. I know they're the same, but I like to keep it tidy. I think it's very important. Okay. Now I'm gonna fix, actually I'm gonna try and look if the, let's see. Yep, great. So if you do this like I just did, right, put this on the disc, then screw the yellow thing and then put it back, then you will notice, if you look here from the side, I will maybe try to show you. Oh, not cool at all. Okay, so I'm first gonna assemble this back and then I'll show you. No, that's not it. This is not it either. That's it. I'm just screwing it on right now. I can't really show you. You gotta just trust me on this one. Right, well, it's not perfect. You can see that the holes are not in the same line, but I don't think it matters too much. Now I'm gonna basically take my shirt, hold the disc firmly, and then screw it a little bit more, okay, just to tighten it. And yeah, that's the magic. Let's see if the... Oh, okay, now I made a mistake. You can probably see here. Wait, I'm gonna sharpen it. Yep, right here. See, the disc is over the yellow thing, which is obviously not right. So I'm gonna unscrew it and continue the video. Yep. Alright, now I fix it. I put this under. Like the disc I first put under the yellow thing and then I put on. I screwed it on now much better than last time. Again, as I mentioned in the previous video, I'm not a professional. I don't have a professional lab. I'm just doing it at home as good as I can. And now I'm actually going to start it up. I kind of have the feeling that the reader, the ends of the reader are very violent. That's why this disc has this super deep ring in there. Not much I can do about it. I just gonna try it now and hope for the best. Let's see. Turn my computer back on. Fell asleep. Yep, nothing's happening. Gonna disconnect it. I'm not sure if you can. I'm gonna try. Oh yeah, here you go. You see those scratch marks? It's from the reader. Okay. It's too violent, I guess. I don't know why. I don't know how. But I know that this is not supposed to be like that. Usually the reader, when it reads, it keeps the disc completely clean, just like this one. Right? It has no scratches at all, just a few dust bunnies that I put on there. And this is the bottom of the second hard drive, and it's completely clean and undamaged. Anyways, so I'm guessing there won't be happening much. The first reader I broke, this one. This is the one from the first hard drive, and this reader is too violent. So, yep, I'm gonna continue trying and doing and figuring things out. Until then, I hope this helped.